Today's product spotlight is on the Perkins 4.236 engine overhaul kit, part number P208874. This four-cylinder engine by Perkins is used in many applications. Allis-Chalmers, Bobcat, Caterpillar, Clark Equipment, Hyster, Lincoln Electric, and Cellair companies all use this particular engine. This engine kit is going to include your four-cylinder kits, your pistons, your rings, wrist pins, retainers, liners and liner seals. You're going to get a top and a bottom gasket set, so everything you need to reseal that complete engine from top to bottom, including your front crankshaft seal and your rear crankshaft seal. It's also going to come with a complete bearing kit, your main bearings, your rod bearings, your thrust washers. It's going to come with your connecting rod bushings and a complete Valvetrain kit. You're also going to get camshaft bushings and your connecting rod nuts and bolts. So if you're in need of an overhaul kit for your Perkins 4.236, give us a shout at 844-447-1453 or check us out on the web at www.highwayandheavyparts.com, where you can chat us or send us a message. We'd be glad to get back to you. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.